Hello everyone, welcome to Vidakti Education. So 12 plus 12 multiply 12 and divide 12. Okay, so most people solve this question like cancel this 12 by 12. Then 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. But here this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. First solve this problem and comment your answer. Okay, then see the solution. Okay, so please stop this video here and solve this question and then resume this video, okay, to see the answer. So now let's still solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question we can write this question like in the parenthesis 12 plus 12 multiply 12 then divide 12. Okay, now according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, in this parenthesis here is one addition and here is one multiplication. So multiplication is first priority, then we have to solve addition. Okay, so is equal to this parenthesis 12 plus now solve this multiplication. 12 multiplied 12 is equal to 144 divide by 12. Okay, so now first we have to solve this parenthesis. So now 12 plus 144 is equal to 156 divide 12. Okay, so now 156 divide 12 is equal to 13. So the correct answer is 13. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Vidakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.